And then, of course, yung solo-solo nyo. Dun sa solo-solo nyo, kakantayin nyo ba yung song ng bawat isa? May ganun bang klase yung kumbaga, performances?
Meron kaming solo spots, but for the most part, it's all mixed together. Ang gusto namin show, seamless, so it's just straight all the way.
Yung parang, kasi lahat naman kami, we enjoy pretty much the same music. So we'll be singing a lot of our own songs, plus na rin, some of our favorite songs. So yung flow from the start to the end, gusto namin nag-enjoy. It's a big party pretty much for 2 hours.
Yeah, our songs, old and new, we get to sing it. Minsan solo, minsan dalawa lang kami, minsan all three. Whatever fits best for each number.
Yung mga guests nyo, it's your personal choice ba na sila yung maging guest nyo? Yan, si Nadine, si Colleen, and then Yasi. And meron ba kayong mga performance with them? Parang ganyan.
I think, ang hirap magsalita kasi we don't really want to give away so much because there are a lot of special things that will happen this night. Kaya parang, ako personally, yes, there's something that inspired me to actually have my wife for the first time to perform with me. I would love that. So, but tignan na lang natin kung ano ba talaga ang mangyayari for mine.
James, for Nadine?
Yeah, I'm excited to have Nadine because there's a very special song which we're going to perform for the first time in concert. Yes.
And for Yasi?
Yeah, well, unlike the two of them, meron silang significant other, but I'm really glad that I got Yasi to say yes and agree to be part of this show with me. Because thinking of someone that good, that is a performer, and sing and can act, Yasi's the perfect choice. And we're gonna do some really fun numbers in this show. Actually, pinaplano namin kanina. We're excited to do it.
Hello. What do we expect sa concert nyo? Of course, I know this is full of dancing, singing. Ano pa yung dapat naming asahan?
Besides the original music, the big dance numbers, we're really focused production value on the visuals and the flow of the concert. We want it to feel new. We want it to feel really exciting and like a party, like a really big party the whole way through.
And also, I think, gusto rin namin na kahit ganun kalaki yung venue na it's Araneta, but we're still gonna make it still intimate with our crowd. Yun yung goal namin, is malapitan namin and to have them have a wonderful time. It will be visually entertaining, plus, I mean, kikiligin sila sa moments. It's ups and downs of emotions ang gusto namin parating. And seamless, yung wala talagang tigil, putol, or whatever, it's just tuloy-tuloy lang po. That's our goal. Is 2 hours of non-stop music and performance. Yun po.
We want the audience to make sure, we want to make sure that the audience leaves the concert na nag-enjoy silang lahat. It's going to be non-stop, fun, and laging may bagong nangyayari dun sa show. And to that, we want to be really close to the fans, and we want them right here.
How involved are you sa choice of songs na kakantahin nyo at magiging part ng repertoire?
Lahat kami. We including Diva, including ourselves, we did a meeting a few times and we really sat down for hours and thought of it na nag-uusap kami. Kami po nag-conceptualize na rin kung ano yung takbo ng show. So, kami tatlo po, actually.
Paano papasok ang mga special guests nyo?
Tita, manood na lang kayo kasi parang binibigay ko na sa inyo lahat.
Nanonood ako.
Pagkatapos kasi nung backstage, tapos din. Meron kasing how do I explain this, bro? It's kind of hard to explain how they're involved sa concert kasi for the both of us, they're involved in our lives. And we know Sam is one of the best performers dito sa sa bansang to. And I believe that. And, you know, to have the counterpart of Sam, which is Yasi, to, you know, do a number, alam mo, it's gonna be exciting. So there's something special na mangyayari, of course, with James, something definitely special with me, and it will be also special. So hindi lang namin masabi kung saan namin ilalagay because we want it to be a surprise actually for the people.